Hello, very good evening. Myself Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services, Bangalore. Today, we are in our one more ahead step of our success. We are sending Danvin Aditya from Tamil Nadu for this Lviv National Medical University.
Danilo Halitzky Lviv National Medical University is one of the oldest and biggest medical educational institutions in Ukraine. It is one of the leading medical universities of the fourth level of accreditation. LNMU begins from the Medical Faculty of Lviv University, which was opened on November 16, 1784, according to the privilege of the Austrian Emperor Joseph II. In 2020, university celebrated its 236th anniversary.
As you know, making a doctor is a dream of our Indian families, and in India there's a huge population, number of seats are very less, so we are bringing the opportunity for our Indian students in abroad universities. Lviv National Medical University, one of the reputed medical university of the Ukraine, and today we are fortunate that along with us Danvin and his complete family is with us, and we'll make one chit chat interview with them and we'll try to understand how they have selected this particular university, how they are satisfied with the ITCS services and all. Hi Danvin, very good evening. And first of all, many congratulations that today we are going for this Lviv National Medical University. So Danvin, first point I just want to know from your side, what was the motto for selecting this particular university, Lviv National Medical University?
Actually, once I decided to go abroad to do my MBBS, I was kind of confused which university to choose, which consultancies to choose and all. So through a friend I came to know about the university and the consultancy.
Okay.
She told me about the consultancy and what all help they did on the documentation and all, and the facilities in her university, and all the environment and surrounding in that particular city. So then I went to few other blogs and other interviews on YouTube, and then I chose the Lviv National University. Then after that I met Chhatradhari sir, and he helped me with the documentation work, and he was always here to help us. Every time we called, without any hesitation, he always guided us through the process. So that's the one.
Thank you. Thank you. Medical studies is not an easy study. Being a parent, they can support you in the terms of money. Being a consultant, I can provide the universities and all. Correct? So all the proper education studies that you only need to do. So have you got any ideas that how difficulty it is, what kind of challenges you have to face over there?
Yes, sir. It's again through my friend. She told me what all things they face over there, starting from the everyday viva and all.
Mm-hmm.
How do they practice for that, and about the exams, all those things, and again in the props and all.
So you are aware with all the examination systems and all. Okay. So because when you are know about the knowledge, you have the information, then you will make ready yourself accordingly and all. Okay. Thanks, and you have definitely selected a very top class university. Rest, you need to do the hard work to get the success in future for the same. Okay. I'll speak with your father and mother. Hello, madam. Hello, madam. So, madam, we are connected from the past 1.5 months approximately for all the process. So, how you are finding the ITCS and how you will recommend to others and all?
It's good, sir.
You can speak in bit broader what kind of services you got through us and all. Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir. I'm lot of countries in the sent to the foreign education, but you give the mental service, give the good and clear clarification, and also you help in our side the currency exchange and which university is best. You give the good advice and also
thank you, sir.
etc. Okay, it is a good guiding.
Thank you, sir. Sir, will you recommend to the other student to join through ITCS for abroad educations?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, sir. Have you faced any challenges with our services, or everything was smooth? Everything was on the time? How it is, sir?
No challenges
Yeah.
because
Thank
of
you.
your guiding is very smoothly and clear clarification,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
including currency also. Currency change also very helpful.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, anything you can say in Tamil for the local student of the Tamil Nadu? Those are actually basically looking for the becoming MBBS and all.
Definitely, I will refer the understand.
Hmm.
டெஃபினெட்லி நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சேலஞ்சிங்கான விஷயம் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா படிப்புக்கு வெளிநாட்டுக்கு அனுப்புறது, குழந்தைங்களை எப்படி யாரை நம்பி அனுப்புறது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபியூஸில் இருக்கோம். பட் இவங்க ஒரு குட் கைடிங் நல்லா பண்ணுறாங்க. அங்கேயும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா நமக்கு இவங்களுடைய ரெப்ரசன்டேட்டிவ்ஸ் அங்கே இருக்காங்க. அவங்க வந்து நமக்கு குட் கைட் பண்ணுவாங்கன்ட்டு நம்ம நம்புகிறோம். ஏன்னா இங்கே இருந்த சர்வீஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைடாக இருந்தது. அந்த சர்வீஸ் வச்சு பார்க்கும்போது அங்கேயும் அவங்களுடைய சர்வீஸ் நல்லா குட்டாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்ட்டு.
Thank you, sir.
Hopefully.
Thank you. And Danvin, it's a very small gift from our side for you. Okay, many best wishes for your future career. And this is the file where actually you can get your all the required things which you need, like you have state, okay, you have the apron and all the documents, printed copy you have inside that. Okay, so during the immigrations and all, whatever the needed, everything is there. It's a very small gift from the and thanks for giving the service opportunity, sir. Many thanks. Thank you. And we'll come back along with our new videos, new departures and new success stories. Keep watching our YouTube channel, ITCS Study Abroad Services. Thank you and have a nice day.